Which boba drinks are hardest for pop-up drink stands to make efficiently? The hardest are blended drinks, layered fruit teas, cheese foam drinks, and highly customized orders because they need extra ingredients, tools, and preparation time. Blended drinks are difficult because each order may require ice, fruit, milk, syrup, and boba to be measured and mixed separately. Layered drinks take even longer because the worker must pour each liquid slowly so the colors stay separate. Cheese foam drinks can slow the line because the foam must be mixed, chilled, and added carefully to each cup. Fresh fruit tea is also challenging when fruit must be cut, squeezed, or muddled during service instead of being prepared ahead of time. A lesser-known problem is that tapioca pearls continue absorbing liquid, so old pearls become hard while fresh ones may be too soft. Stands can work faster by preparing small batches of tea, fruit puree, and foam before opening, then keeping each batch at a safe temperature. It also helps to limit the number of drink sizes and toppings during busy periods, because every extra choice creates another measuring and cleaning step. The best system is to practice each recipe until the worker can make it the same way every time, while keeping the most popular ingredients within easy reach. One common mistake is offering too many complicated drinks at once, so start with a small menu built around shared ingredients. Another mistake is preparing too many tapioca pearls early, so make smaller batches and track how long each batch has been sitting. Some stands also underestimate ice and blender cleanup, so schedule a quick rinse between drinks and keep a second container ready when possible. It is also easy to forget that a pretty layered drink may be much slower than a simple stirred drink, so place the slowest recipes on the menu only when their higher price makes the extra labor worthwhile. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job at Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.